Welcome to part 1 of our 6-part series, Essential Oils 101, where we unlock the incredible power of nature. Essential oils have been used for centuries, offering benefits that enhance your health, wellness, and overall lifestyle. But what are they exactly? Essential oils are concentrated plant extracts, known for their therapeutic properties and aromatic charm. From soothing stress to refreshing your home, their uses are endless. In this video, we'll break down the basics: how these oils are made, why they work, and their connection to the practice of aromatherapy. Whether you're completely new or just looking to deepen your understanding, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive deeper into the incredible world of essential oils by exploring 3 key areas: how these oils are made, why they work, and their connection to the ancient and modern practice of aromatherapy. Let's start by understanding the creation process. Essential oils are extracted from plants using methods like steam distillation, cold pressing, or solvent extraction. Steam distillation, for instance, uses heat and water to separate the essential oil from the plant material, while cold pressing is commonly used for citrus oils, squeezing out their aromatic essence. These processes are designed to retain the purest form of the plant's benefits, packed into just a few concentrated drops. Now that we know how essential oils are made, let's talk about why they work. The secret lies in their chemistry. Essential oils contain active compounds like terpenes, esters, and phenols, which interact with the body in amazing ways. For example, some oils stimulate your nervous system to promote relaxation, while others have antimicrobial properties to support overall wellness. This leads us to the beautiful practice of aromatherapy, the art and science of using essential oils to enhance physical and emotional well-being. When you inhale essential oils, they stimulate the olfactory system, sending signals to the brain's limbic system, the area responsible for emotions, memory, and even heart rate. This connection explains why scents like lavender can be so calming, and citrus oils can energize and uplift. Whether you're completely new or looking to deepen your understanding of essential oils, this video is your gateway to a fascinating journey of discovery. Stay tuned for the next video in our 6-part series, where we'll uncover the top 10 essential oils every beginner should know about. Be sure to follow along with the rest of the series. We'll dive into everything from safety tips to DIY recipes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to embark on this exciting journey with us.